I'm starting a new 6-month building project and need to develop a schedule. The scheduling process used to be tedious, but with some of the new features in Novell GroupWise, I can easily schedule appointments and communicate with my team. Right now, I'm creating a recurring appointment. I need to monitor the progress of the project, so I want to meet with the foreman every 2 weeks. First, I need to add the foreman's name in the To field. When I begin to type his name, a new GroupWise feature called Name Completion Relevance orders the results. My most frequently used contacts appear first. I press the down arrow key to find Bill, and then I press Enter. I also need to schedule a conference room for our appointment, so I add it here as well. Because I have a resource listed in the To field, I can leave the Place field empty. Appointment Place Update, another new feature in GroupWise, automatically populates the Place field with all the place resources listed in the To field. Now I select a start date and a time. I also insert a subject. And I add a message. Then I click Recurrence to specify the scheduling pattern for this meeting. I'll hold this meeting every 2 weeks, and I'll set the day and time as well. Now that I have created the recurrence pattern I want, I click Send. I can see the appointment on my calendar, but I realize that I have made a mistake. I forgot to add important contact information in the message. To fix the error, I right-click the appointment and select Edit to modify the appointment. In the Modify Auto Date Appointment box, I can choose to modify only this instance, all instances, or from this instance forward. Or I can cancel to exit this dialog box. I need to change all instances, so I click All Instances. The appointment dialog box opens. I'll quickly add Cheryl Phillips' contact information in the message portion of the appointment dialog box. In the newest version of GroupWise, I can modify an appointment without bothering the recipient with unimportant notifications about the changes. If I modify attachments, the subject, or the message portion of the appointment, the recipient doesn't receive a notification about the change. The change appears only on the recipient's calendar. Similarly, when I modify a delegated appointment, changes appear on the calendars of my recipients and delegates. When I modify the date, time, or place for an appointment, the recipient does receive a notification and needs to re-accept the appointment. I didn't get permission to post this phone number, so before I send the message, I want to contact Cheryl to make sure posting her number is okay. I can use Skype to contact Cheryl without leaving GroupWise. When a message includes a phone number, GroupWise converts it to a hyperlink. I can click this link to call Cheryl. While using GroupWise, I can also use Skype to see if a contact is available to chat, send text messages, or start an instant message conversation. With the new features and enhancements to GroupWise, I can more easily schedule appointments and communicate with my contacts.